don't have any experience of school before they come to school. So they will get used and they will learn what they are taught in school. So I think that's kind of the solution of the problem. If you start with a non-graded system or whatever system, the students will, that's the only thing they know then. The children very easily learn to do their own work and not compare it with the other students' work. But the purpose is not to make the teachers work more. The purpose is to make the teachers' work more meaningful and more kind of efficient, not to work more. You should be teaching the things that the children need teaching for. You shouldn't be teaching them things that they already know or they are not that interested. So that's kind of the benefit from trying to meet the individual needs. So the teachers, in many cases, the children, the students, even the small ones, they do know what they need. They know what they have already learned, and they know what they need to learn, and they know what's difficult for them, and they know what they like to learn. So the teacher doesn't have to invent that. The teacher can ask the students and the parents. The goal for the language teaching is to make the students able to express themselves with a foreign language and to study with a foreign language. We are only 5 million speaking Finnish. We need another language to communicate with the rest of the world. So I think that's one reason. Yeah. Teaching a language, you need to be a qualified teacher. The fact that you speak a language as native language, it doesn't make you a teacher. So the benefit of the native speakers is limited. If they are not qualified teachers, it's no use.